You're on.
Hi guys, today we're gonna be eating Subway with chips inside.
What do you get on your Subway?
I get some normal bread with some salami, and we buy some chips and we put them in the sandwich.
Do you put anything on it, like any lettuce or ketchup or mustard or anything?
No.
You toast it.
Yeah, I toast it. Yeah. I'm at the real Subway right now. So got my drink, got I got my sandwich. I gotta eat it.
Cause you're not even doing that bad. The footlong churro good?
It's delicious. I want this like really bad, and he got it for me. So I'm eating this. I eat so much of my sandwich. So I just don't.
Should we get another one before we leave?
Yep.
Should we get another one before we leave?
A pretzel
The pretzel, what's on it?
with some cinnamon.
The cinnamon sugar pretzel.
Right.
The great people at Subway in Wyoming asked us to try it. We all gonna try it. Break a piece off, Poppy, and taste. What's it taste like?
I just tried the cinnamon. Bim. Here.
Very good. Tell them, how many stars? 5 stars? For the cinnamon sugar pretzel. You like it?
Yeah.
Was it better than a churro, or was a churro better?
A churro better.
Churro was better. How about you? Is it better than a churro? Or the churro better?
Churro better.
The churro's better.
I like both.
What I will say about the Subway cinnamon sugar churro and the cinnamon sugar pretzel, get that, is they should have had the Cinnabon icing. Oh man, it'd be crazy if they had the icing. Eat fresh.